Greetings to all. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. I am Pallavi Tandon, Faculty of English at SRN International School situated in Jagatpura, Jaipur. Students, today we will be learning an important topic from writing section, that is advertisements, and especially we will be focusing on classified advertisement. This topic is included in grade 11th and 12th, both the classes. So students, first of all, let us know what is an advertisement. Advertisement is a paid, non-personal public communication about causes, goods and services, ideas, organizations, people and places. Through means such as direct mail, telephone, print media like newspaper and magazines, or the internet. Their content usually is brief, words are limited, and sentences not necessarily grammatically correct. So a brief description of the products or services advertised and contact address, phone number, email, whatever is included over there comes in the category of advertisement. So you can say that advertisement is a public announcement which is made through a popular medium like newspapers, magazines, TV, radio, etc. An advertisement may be displayed on a placard as well. It is non-personal, oral or visual message regarding a product, a service or an idea. An advertisement for the classified columns in a newspaper should be brief, as the price to be paid for the advertisement very much depends on the space taken. It's a potent medium deliberately used to influence the minds, taste and even motives of the masses. It's an announcement made through a popular medium to target a large number of people. Now let us know what is the purpose of writing an advertisement. An advertisement attracts immediate attention of the public. It is a very potent tool for promoting sales or services. It is used to influence the minds, tastes, and even motives of the masses. Remember, an advertisement is a play of words. It must be very attractive to catch the eye of the reader. There are two types of advertisements, classified advertisement and display advertisement, and today we will be learning about classified advertisement. Now, first of all, let us know what are classified advertisement. A classified advertisement is a small advertisement that you put in a newspaper or a magazine, usually because you want to sell or buy something or to find or offer a job. In other words, a classified advertisement is written by an employer who is looking for the services of a person in his organization, or to sell, purchase, rent any property or for many other purposes. These advertisements are called classified advertisement as they are divided into categories or classes in the newspaper or magazine according to their subject matter and the function they perform. Classified advertisements are brief and to the point, as the advertiser is charged per word, per column line or per column centimeter. Now let us know some of the characteristics of the classified advertisements. First of all, they are categorized into columns according to different classes. They are brief and occupy less space. They are economical. They are written in short phrases and words. The language is simple and concise, factual and formal. There are some of the points which are to be kept in mind. That is, that advertisement should always be drafted in such a way that they attract the readers to go through them. Advertisements should always be meaningful and interesting so that they can attract the attention of the readers. Advertisements should always have simple and effective language. Advertisements should always be brief and to the point. The name of the advertiser and the advertised product or service should be properly highlighted. Tip to develop expertise in drafting classified advertisement is that students are advised to read classified advertisement columns of leading newspapers regularly. Now let us know some of the types of classified advertisement. I'll be letting you know what are the different types of advertisement and what are its purpose. First of all, the situation vacant is there. This advertisement is written by an employer who is looking for the services of a person in his organization. Next, we have situation wanted. This is written by a job seeker. Then for sale. This category of the advertisement is an attempt to sell property, assets, office, goods, etc. Then we have to let. This category of the advertisement is written by a person who is looking for tenants for his or her property. Property can be a house, it can be a shop, it can be a godown, it can be anything. Then we have accommodation wanted. This is written by the ones looking for a place for accommodation as per one's choice and preference. Then we have matrimonials. This is written while looking for prospective marriage candidates. It can be for bride or bridegroom. Then we have missing advertisements as well. This is written in case any object, person or pet goes missing, giving descriptive details for the same. Now let us study various types of classified advertisement with the help of the solved example and note the essential details which must be included in each category. So first of all, I'm going to pick up the first category, that is situation vacant. So what are the main characteristics of this type of classified advertisement? So let me tell you children that they are categorized into columns according to different classes. Okay. So first of all, you have to remember that it should have short, catchy phrases and words. Then you have to keep the language very simple, factual and formal. Okay, it has to be very short, concise and to the point. All the relevant information which is required, you have to provide it in the advertisement, and contact name and address, that is must to be written, and finally it has to be written within the box, means you have to enclose the advertisement within the box. Now what are essential details which are required while we are writing the advertisement under situation vacant? First of all, begin with wanted or required. State the name of the company. Mention the post and the number of vacancies. State minimum qualifications and experience desired. Give age, sex and preferential qualifications. Mention pay scale and perks. State the mode of applying clearly. End with contact address and phone number. Now just have a look on this sample. The question says that you are the managing director of Varun Enterprises, a leading garments export house. You need accountants for your merit office. Write an advertisement for the situation vacant column of a local daily. So this is your question. So first of all, the title of your advertisement. So it would be accountants wanted. Okay. And then how you'll begin? Wanted a competent and experienced accountant capable of handling accounts independently. Commerce graduates having at least 5 years experience in a reputed firm will be preferred. Salary and perks according to the efficiency and performance of the candidate. Apply in confidence to assistant manager HRD Varun Enterprise Merit up to XYZ till any date. You can mention that, and then finally you will enclose it within the box. Now type 2. The type 2 advertisements are of sale and purchase. Now, what are the essential details which are required? First of all, you have to begin with for sale, purchase, or available or wanted, any of the words like that. Mention the type of accommodation or vehicle or household or item which you want to sell. Give a brief physical description of it. And then you have to end with contact address and telephone number. If it is a property, then you have to give specific details, like you have to specify the size, floor, number of rooms. You have to mention fixtures and fittings, give the location and surrounding, what is the price that you are expecting or offering. Okay. Now here is the sample. This question says that you are general manager of P&T company, Noida, which requires to purchase posh bungalows as guest houses. Draft an advertisement under classified column to be published in the Tribune. So how it will go? First of all, you have to give the title, and it would be like bungalows wanted. So how you'll begin? You'll write wanted high-end bungalows in various posh locations in South Delhi to be run as guest houses. Uninterrupted water and electricity supply is a must. Near market and other facilities will be preferred. Owners, please contact with lowest rate, terms and conditions, etc. to General Manager, P&T Company, Noida. One can give the phone number as well or the email address. And then finally, you will enclose it within the box. Now, the next type of advertisement is type 3 type of advertisement is to let. So what are the details? You have to give heading, that is to let or available or other suitable phrase, whichever clicks your mind. Then detail of accommodation, number of bedrooms, size of rooms, bathrooms, etc. Brief description of accommodation. You can mention if 24/7 electricity and water supply is there. You can include fixtures and fittings as well. Location and surroundings can be included. Park facing, proximity to market, school, etc. What is the type of construction? That also you can mention. And here especially you can mention your preference for tenant, like nuclear family or bank employee or anything like that. Then contact address, email or phone number, that is must to be written and the end. Now here you can see the sample. The question says that you want to let out a flat and you have to prepare an advertisement to this effect for publication in a newspaper, giving the location of the building, nature of accommodation, rent expected, etc. So how you'll begin? First of all, you'll give a title, that is to let. Then available on rent, Sushant Lok Ansals MIG flats. Second floor, 2 bedrooms, lobby, balcony, fully furnished, well ventilated, walking distance from the main market and taxi stand. Here you can see that all the characteristics are given over there with simple words over there. Company lease preferred, contact the person. You can give the address and the phone number. Now students, here are some of the questions which are given for practice. Like the first question says that you are Krishna or Tisha, Secretary, Greenland Enterprise, and your chairman has asked you to draft an advertisement for a local daily under the classified column for the vacant post of 1 accountant and 2 office assistants. So you have to draft an advertisement for that. And second advertisement says it's related to purchase, like you have draft an advertisement that you want to purchase a flat. Okay. Detailing your requirements and your capacity to pay. Then the third question is that you are the General Manager, Coal India Limited, New Delhi. Write an advertisement to be published in a newspaper for suitable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house for the company. Students, do solve these questions, practice these questions. It will help you in understanding the topic well. I hope you must have understood these three types of classified advertisement. If you have found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.